Hello viewers, hello my good people. Today I'm so happy to meet you here. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and please kindly remember to subscribe, share, like and comment for more lessons that we will be uploading. Thank you. And today we'll be diving in to learn about environment, okay? Nature and environment. So let's start learning how to say different terms in environment. Wet, wet, wind, earthquake, earthquake, rainbow, rainbow, lightning, lightning, vegetation, 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 grass or grass, soil, soil, swamp, swamp, rain, rain, sky, sky, sun, sun, stars, stars, moon, moon, clouds, clouds, thunderstorm, thunderstorm, tree, tree, flower, flower, cave, cave, floods, floods, cold, cold, warm, warm, hot, hot, mud, mud, lake, lake, ocean, ocean, rock, rock, earth, earth, dust, dust, air, air, storm, storm, roots, roots, leaves, leaves, branch, branch, fire. Thank you. That's the end of today's topic. Thank you for watching me. So please remember to subscribe, share, comment until we meet again next lesson. Bye bye.